Welcome everyone. Today we're checking out the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2, an advanced ECU coding and bidirectional scan tool designed for professional mechanics and car enthusiasts who want OE-level diagnostics and coding capability in one device. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this scan tool at the best price in the market. This device is engineered to work seamlessly across a wide range of vehicles including Benz, BMW, Ford, GM, Porsche, Toyota, and V.A.G models, offering both OBD1 and OBD2 connectivity, complete with full vehicle-specific adapters and AutoAuth access for FCA vehicles. What sets the Phoenix Plus 2 apart is its ability to perform over 3,000 bidirectional control functions, allowing you to command actuators, solenoids, and sensors directly for real-time testing, so you can check systems like ACC, lane keeping assist, brake vacuum pumps, speed sensors, and more with factory-level precision. The scanner also includes 42+ hot reset services for everything from AdBlue to sunroof calibrations, and it supports full offline configuration, enabling flexible ECU coding and module installation without connectivity limits. The V.A.G guided diagnostics feature makes complex troubleshooting effortless, providing step-by-step instructions to decode DDCs quickly and reduce downtime, which is ideal for busy workshops looking to maximize efficiency. You can also automatically scan all vehicle systems, retrieve ECU version info, perform active tests, and generate QR-coded diagnostic reports that are easy to share with customers. While it's priced higher than entry-level scanners, the professional-grade features, lifetime technical support, and 2 years of free updates make it a worthwhile investment for serious automotive work. The intuitive 10.1-inch display makes navigation smooth, and the portability ensures it's easy to use on multiple vehicles. If you want a tool that dramatically reduces diagnostic time, handles complex coding tasks, and expands your workshop capabilities, the TOPDON Phoenix Plus 2 is a solid choice. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to get your hands on this scan tool at the best price available and start improving efficiency and precision in every job.